Welcome to Iron Horse Garage. I'm Smokey, that's the Bandit, and this is the Snowman.
10-4, good buddy.
And today, we're gonna build a truck. This bad boy is a 1957 Dodge cab. Is a D500. Used to be a big truck. These doors are from a 1955 panel truck. 57 D100 hood. 57 D100 grill. And we have a bed over here from a 1962 D100 with a bent up tailgate. And here we have a 1993 Dodge Dakota two-wheel drive frame. We're going to merge all these parts together to make one bad to the bone street truck. Well, 4 men couldn't cut it, so we added another half of a man. Our next investment will be a forklift.
1, 2, 3.
Being cool is a lot of work. She's kind of mocked up. It's going to require some modifications. We don't have enough hood clearance here. Also, we're running a single axle in the center of the truck for gravity purposes at this time. Not going completely as planned. We're gonna get this baby fastened together. We're using a tape mesh system to hold all the body parts together, so when you're going down the freeway, you don't lose any fenders or anything like that. On your gray mesh fastening system, after you apply it, you just make sure you go around and smooth out as many of the wrinkles as you can, and make sure she's buttoned down good. You're not losing body parts going down the road. It's still a little cold outside, so we don't need our air conditioning right now. Let's go ahead and fill that in, and we'll take that off when it gets warmer. So what we do here is build, as you can see, traditional hot rods. Traditional hot rodding is using what you have, throwing parts and pieces together, and getting your car to go down the road, which is what we've done here. So if you're looking for a traditional street rod, rat rod, hot rod truck such as this, let us know if you're interested. This baby is now for sale, now that all the body work and everything's been finished on it. Should make a great truck for somebody looking for a hot rod.